Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now I get asked all the time about what's a good speed when doing slow speed maneuvers.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
So in this quick video, I'm going to give you my opinion. So hang tight. What I commonly see is that riders either have too much speed or they'll be going too slow. The problem with having too much speed is that the handlebars tend to want to straighten out, which makes for a wide turn. Remember, speed equals radius. Now, I always tell my students, if you feel like you're balancing the motorcycle when doing slow speed maneuvers, then you're going too slow. Now, if you find yourself doing this, you need to let out a little more clutch. So with all that being said, I think that the ideal speed for low speed maneuvers is around 8 to 10 miles per hour. At this speed, you'll be able to get through most cone patterns and you'll be able to make 18-foot U-turns. Now, obviously, depending on what you're trying to do, the speeds can vary. But as long as you have power to the rear wheel, the motorcycle will not fall. Now, this is true no matter what size bike you're riding. Now, you don't want to be looking down at your speedometer when you're making your turns. So you need to learn how to get a feel for your speed. Now, the more you practice, the easier this will become. Now, I recommend you watching this video where I show U-turns being done on 3 different motorcycles. Now, as you will see, the speed for each motorcycle is pretty much the same. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.